Today I'm going to be working on my autopilot. The belt has been dropping flakes while we've been sailing with it on, so I think the belt is definitely no good anymore. It hasn't jumped, which is fine, but little bits of wire, little bits of rubber have been coming out. And then at the back is the engagement gear for the autopilot here. Once you engage and you disengage, it's been engaging fine, but it won't disengage at all. It will just sort of stay jammed. Okay, obviously now that I'm showing you, it's working. And I want to try and see what was going on there. Maybe it needs some lubrication or something like that. And I've also got a full set of spare parts to upgrade this if there's anything that's worn and that I need to do. So let's get started by taking everything apart. And as you can see, it's a miracle that this actually worked. I have no idea how it did, but it did. Anyway, the next piece to open is that guy over there. So you can see the wear from the belt moving past. That's probably not a problem. The clutch itself seems to be moving quite well. So I wonder if it's more related to the belt that wasn't disengaging properly, because the belt is so cruddy and dirty. So maybe what I need to do is replace the belt and try and clean up everything that's on it, because I don't think the belt needs to be greased. I'll double check on that. So the consensus is that you shouldn't lube anything inside here, because it all attracts dirt, which is a bit of a weird thing. They do say you can clean it with a damp cloth, so I'm going to be doing a bit of wiping down and cleaning of everything, and then I will fit the new belt. There's the new belt, looks great. There's the old belt, it looks horrendous. And then these belts are actually quite hard to get hold of, so I'll have to look around and see if I can find another one to keep as a spare future. Anybody knows where I can get one? It says T5X750. I'm assuming those are the measurements for the belt. Hopefully it's something I can just find online somewhere. belt needs to get pushed down all the way around, which is going to be a bit of a challenge. Try and get it to drop in. These are quite a tight fit. It's under the clutch, that's better. Okay, the belt is inside. Now it's got to click down onto itself. Alright, so that feels reasonable. I'm going to test it out before I do any more work on it, so let's go and plug it back in. Quite a fiddly little job. The wheel and heels to line up. Okay. Okay, so it's all back together, and let's go and see if it's going to work. Right, so the motor's nicely free-flowing, which it always used to do. And if I hit the clutch, okay, definitely engaged. Now the big problem was when I released the clutch, it didn't go free-flowing, it used to catch. But now we're all good. And let's go see if we can adjust some directions. Nope. Clutch is released, nothing happens. That's a good sign. That looks good. Let's see my rudder indicator is showing movement. Alright, and the last big test, if I unclip it, should be free flowing. Oh, what a dream. That is so much better. You just get caught every single time. Now it looks like it's working fine. So, thanks for coming along. See you later. Ciao.